Bitcoin update. Whoa, 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 steady, steady, steady. Are you an investor or a gambler? In this video, I'm going to share you the difference between an investor and a gambler and what you're all about to get wrong. And I'm going to show you now where I see Bitcoin going, where it is now, how to invest, how to gamble, how to speculate, and where you're about to go dramatically wrong. Shall I share with you? Of course, this is going to be, I'm going to get a lot of hate on this video, and I couldn't care less because my aim is to be the most honest channel on YouTube, not to be BitBoy, Cryptos or Us or anybody else who wants to promote something. I'm here to share the truth, not the nonsense. So you're ready to find out what you've all just done wrong? Well, let's talk about it. So first of all, click subscribe and ring the bell if you want to know more about this, or maybe you want to tap the like button or down like button if you don't like the message. But here it comes. Are you an investor or are you a speculative gambler? Now, great. Bitcoin is up. It's exploding. It could go up to $1 gazillion if you believe what other YouTube channels will tell you. You won't hear that nonsense from us. But let's talk about it. Bitcoin has gone up. Why has it gone up? Well, it's gone up for a very good reason. It's gone up because everyone's buying it all of a sudden. Doesn't produce anything, doesn't make anything. I own Bitcoin. I own XRP. I've got quite a bit of crypto in my portfolio. It's going up because of the Bitcoin promise potential of an ETF. Of course, it hasn't arrived yet. It may never arrive, but everybody thinks it's about to come in, maybe in the spring. So everyone's buying it. But hang on a minute. If you are an investor, like I am, you would have done your research, not watched YouTube videos, done your research, and you would have discovered why you should and why you shouldn't buy Bitcoin. And if you did that bit of work, you would have done like we do on our channel. You would have bought it at 15,000 or lower. That's where I bought it. Now you might be looking at that going, you haven't got any Bitcoin. You've only got $15. Why are you talking about Bitcoin? It all lives on my ledger. It also lives on my Coinbase wallet as well, a part of our crypto challenge. And we'll talk about the crypto challenge in a second and how right Sensei was and how you can be involved in his program. We'll come on to that in a minute. But Bitcoin has gone up not because, unlike Coca-Cola this morning, which is one of my biggest positions, that makes stuff, that sells stuff, and invests its capital. Coca-Cola had a massive earnings today. I bought at the bottom of the market, and now I've got the rewards because it was oversold. It's an asset I invested in, waiting for the good time. I didn't buy it today. I've been buying it when it was red, buying it when it was going down. However, that's the very opposite of what's been happening today with Bitcoin, because it should have gone up months ago. It should have gone up. If you bought it because you know it's going to go up, you know the good things are coming, you should have bought it before now. What's happening now, we get a little bit of a rumor that a potential ETF is around the corner and everybody starts buying it. I think if you've started to buy Bitcoin today, I'm sorry, but I'm not going to apologize for my sentiment. You're a clown. Why do I say that? Because if you'd researched it, you would know the value of it, where it's likely to go. Forget all these make-believe numbers, 1 billion, 1 gazillion. These numbers don't even exist. But realize the cycle of crypto. Realize how the cycle goes, when to buy it. You buy it when everybody's selling it if you believe it's an asset that can go up. Well, I do believe that Bitcoin has a place, but the time to buy Bitcoin was at 15,000. Well, of course, no one listens to me. Everyone's buying it. They want to get rich quick and join the bandwagon. Well, you're all buying it now, but here's the warning. I see it going all the way back down to 15,000. You will all lose your money. I will end up just buying more of it and doing it all over again. What do you think? Do you agree with me? Do you agree that everyone's buying it for the wrong reasons? Or maybe not. Maybe not. Listen, at the end of the day, I don't want to rain on anyone's parade. The reality is Bitcoin is going up. Crypto is going up. If I share with you my the crypto bubbles today, you can see crypto is going up everywhere. Some of it's going up ridiculously, makes no sense. Some of it's going up in a sensible manner. XRP is one of our big investments. We love XRP. It's one of Sensei's cryptos a favorite. He does all our technical analysis for crypto. That's up today, of course, but that's up in a sort of a manageable number. Whereas Mina, I've never even heard of it, to be honest. It's up 96% and CFX is over 45%. The point I'm trying to make is what is the difference? Are you a gambler or are you an investor? Just to clarify, I am an investor. I do take some risks, of course. We all do. I bought Coca-Cola. I researched the balance sheet. I looked at the people that work there, the CEO, what their plans are, where it's going, how their growth is, what's their debt situation, what they do with their repurchasing their shares. Are they buying back and all this kind of stuff. What are they doing with their profits? What's their debt situation? And I saw that Coca-Cola was undervalued. So I kept buying it and buying it and buying it and buying it. I couldn't buy enough of it. As you can see, it's at 17% of my Roth, of my main account. And it's 47% of my Roth IRA. You couldn't be more bullish. That's investing. And now it's rising. And now I'm up. And now I'm making profits. Fantastic. Whereas if we look at Bitcoin has exploded on the news of the potential ETF. I bought that at 15, but now everyone's buying it at 34, which I think is crazy because we know it's going back down. So I'm sorry to rain on your parade. I'd like your thoughts in the comments. Are you a gambler or are you an investor? I'd love your thoughts on this. Now, if you are interested in following us on our crypto challenge with Sensei, we do things a little bit differently here. We do things a bit differently. We actually spend the time studying the assets, knowing what we're buying, and we buy it when it's low and we wait. And we have patience. I started with $1,000 in my Coinbase account, 1,936. 1,975. Oh, it's lovely. But look, this isn't like Cryptos R Us or BitBoy or anybody else or anybody who wears a silly wig or a silly hat. No, I've got $603 still in cash, earning 5%. I've got Polygon Matic earning 10%. It's not all purchased. Bitcoin, I've got a small position at $149. Most of it is an XRP. But I do have a few more $1,000 on my ledger, just saying out, this is actually just our crypto challenge. But the point is, we only started with $1,000 and you can see how we've grown. The point is, it's responsible investing. Because when Bitcoin goes down, I've got plenty of money to buy it back at 15 grand and add to my position. So anyway, if you want to know more about Sensei Crypto and how we came to these conclusions of when to buy the stock and when not to buy the stock, and we're not trying to tell everybody how to get rich just to get views. We're not trying to get everyone to subscribe to our channel. Couldn't care less. That's why we're members only. We actually turn people away from our channel. Our channel is about being the best, most honest channel, and only members, even though it's only $2 a month, only members can actually speak in the chat. We don't want scammers, we don't want bots, we don't want people telling everybody that everyone's going to get rich in 5 seconds and all the rest of it. We don't want it. We want a community of investors. And we have some of the biggest retail investors in many of our stocks in the world that follow our show, particularly Virgin Galactic. Anyway, click above my head if you want any of those links to Sensei's crypto challenge. Below there also is the links. And also over here, I'll put some other videos I think you will find useful. That's it from me. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Be careful. Are you an investor? Are you a gambler? Leave your comments and thoughts below. There'll be a post on a poll on X as well. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other.